Hi, I'm Mark and welcome to another lesson with Master Everyday English. In today's lesson we're going to look at making an appointment. So often what you'll do in English is you will book an appointment. That word book means to schedule or to make an appointment. Now, you might not think this is an important skill, but actually when you think about it, when you live in a country, there are lots of times that you really need to make appointments. So let's just think a little bit about some of the people you'll need to call and make an appointment with. Well, you think anything medical, your doctor, your dentist, your eye doctor, any pediatrician, any specialist, you'll need to call and make an appointment. Anything to do with your car, if you need a service, if you need to see a mechanic. Anything with you, if you need a haircut, if you're going for a manicure, if you're going to an English school or a college or a university. If you have any problems at your home, if you need a repair, if you need a plumber, an electrician. And of course, if you want to get something installed, maybe you need your internet installed, or you're buying some new appliances or furniture. So what we're going to look at today is some of the common questions you can expect to hear really any time you make an appointment over the telephone. So let's get started. Questions about your personal information and the appointment. Can I get a name and a number that I could call you back on? What's a good contact number for you? How would you like us to contact you? Text, email, or a call? Can I get your full name and your address, please? When were you looking to book an appointment for? Questions about changing, cancelling, and confirming your appointment. Would you like us to contact you if something comes available sooner? You might also hear, would you like us to get a hold of you if something comes available sooner? Would you like us to get a hold of you or contact you if we have a cancellation? Okay, we have you booked in for the date and the time. For example, we have you booked in for Tuesday at 7:30. You might also hear, we have you down for the date and the time. We have you down for the 25th at 3:30. We'll send you a text reminder the day before the appointment. And you can change or cancel up to 24 hours before the appointment. Now let's listen to a conversation. Let's imagine a conversation between a person who has a problem in their house with the electrics. And so they want to call an electrician and make an appointment for an electrician to come out and fix the problem at their house. Listen carefully for some of those questions that we looked at.
Hi, Everyday Electrics. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi. I need an electrician to come out to my house.
Okay, we can get someone out to help you, no problem. Can I get a number we can contact you on?
Sure. The number is 727-788-8989.
Okay, thank you. When were you wanting to book an appointment for?
Well, we lost power, so we need someone to come out as soon as possible.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, we are fully booked for today, but the first available for tomorrow would be 7 a.m. Does that time work for you?
You don't have anything for today?
Not right now. I can always try and get a hold of you later if we have a cancellation. What's the best way to contact you? Text, email, or a phone call?
Text is best. I'm not always available to answer calls at work.
And is the 8989 number the best way to contact you?
Yes.
Great. If I could take your full name and the address, please.
It's Mark Smith, and it's 2929 2nd Avenue South, and that's Tampa.
Okay, we have you down for tomorrow, September 30th at 7 a.m. You'll receive a text reminder in the morning, and you can change or cancel your appointment up to 2 hours before without incurring any call-out charges.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Everyday Electrics. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi. I need an electrician to come out to my house.
Okay, we can get someone out to help you, no problem. Can I get a number we can contact you on?
Sure. The number is 727-788-8989.
Okay, thank you. When were you wanting to book an appointment for?
Yeah, well, we lost power, so we need someone to come out as soon as possible.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, we are fully booked for today, but the first available for tomorrow would be 7 a.m. Does that time work for you?
You don't have anything for today?
Not right now. I can always try and get a hold of you later if we have a cancellation. What's the best way to contact you? Text, email, or a phone call?
Text is best. I'm not always available to answer calls at work.
And is the 8989 number the best way to contact you?
Yes.
Great. If I could take your full name and the address, please.
It's Mark Smith, and it's 2929 2nd Avenue South, and that's Tampa.
Okay, we have you down for tomorrow, September 30th at 7 a.m. You'll receive a text reminder in the morning, and you can change or cancel your appointment up to 2 hours before without incurring any call-out charges.
Okay, thank you.
Now, if you're interested in more lessons, go check out my channel, Master Everyday English. There are lots of other lessons about life and work in the United States. You can also check out my website, mastereverydayenglish.com. Now, on the website, there's a little bit of information about me, and there's some free activities and exercises that you can download as well. Now let me give you some really important information. This is really going to help you if this is your first time trying to book an appointment over the telephone. The first thing to really think about is having the information that they're going to ask you for ready when you make the telephone call. So for example, if you're calling your doctor, you're going to need your date of birth, your full name, maybe your address, and also any medical information like your medical insurance company or your membership number. If you call for your car, maybe you need a service or you need a repair. Well, they'll ask you again for your name, a contact telephone number. They'll ask you details about your car, things like the make, the model, the year. If you're calling for someone to come to your house, maybe for a repair, an electrician, a plumber, the things they're going to ask for are things like, again, your full name, a contact number, and the details of the problem. What's wrong exactly? If you call to make an appointment and no one answers, maybe the line is busy, that means nobody's answering, you can always leave a message. Now, when you leave a message, the best thing to do is keep it short. Just leave your full name, a telephone number they can contact you on, and a short description of why you're calling. Let's imagine I need to make an appointment to go for a blood test. If I call and nobody answers, I could leave a message something like this. Hi, my name's John Smith. I'm calling to book an appointment for a blood test. If someone could call me back, please. My number is 727-658-2251. A good expression there is to say, can someone call me back, please? And that just lets them know you want a return phone call. Now, if you need to cancel or change an appointment, in most cases you can do this no problem, but you have to be careful. If you make an appointment and you try to change or cancel it very close to when you have your appointment, or maybe you forget about it and you try to cancel or change after the time of the appointment, it's common that places will charge you a fee for this. This is especially true if it's something medical, if you have a doctor's appointment, a dentist's appointment. They'll normally have a set charge, maybe $30 or $50, that they'll expect you to pay because you didn't come to the appointment and you didn't call to change or cancel. Now, also when you make an appointment, especially if you make an appointment, a number of weeks or months before the appointment, it's common for the company to contact you maybe a day before or a few days before with a text message asking you to check in. Now, they just want you to confirm that you're still coming to the appointment, and the check-in could be also to get maybe some of your personal details. Let's do a quick activity. You make a telephone call to book an appointment. The person you speak with asks you a question. In this activity, I'd like you to listen to the question and then on the screen, look for the best response. Let's do an example together. Imagine you call a doctor's office. You hear this question.
Can you confirm your date of birth, please?
Look at these responses, A, B, and C. What's the best response?
Can you confirm your date of birth, please?
You want to get internet installed at your house. Listen to the question. What's the best response?
What's your full name and address, please? What's your full name and address, please?
You're making an appointment with a mechanic to look at your car. Listen to the question. What's the best response?
Can you give me the make, model, and year? Can you give me the make, model, and year?
You have a leak in your bathroom. You want to make an appointment for a plumber to come and fix it. Listen to the question. What's the best response?
Can you tell me exactly what seems to be the problem? Can you tell me exactly what seems to be the problem?
That's it for today. I hope this lesson is useful for you if you find yourself in that situation where you need to make a telephone call so that you can book an appointment. And don't forget, if you enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and click to subscribe.